Sunday morning, guys. It's coffee time because it's been a hell of a weekend.
It's been a big weekend so far.
Lots of work. We're trying to get these vehicles all serviced up for the upcoming trip. Dylan's been hard at work. He's actually, he's actually done something for a change, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
He's stuck on a set of lights.
Not just any set of lights.
No, true. Hardcore lights, I believe.
Yep. So these are the new Hardcore BZR180, they say.
Yeah, that Sunday morning and he can read, so it's pretty good. So they've been installed. He's installed UHF.
So we've got the GME with the 330 inside.
Yes.
And we've got the shorter antenna there because we do a lot of high country, so shorter works better.
Does, and we'll change those across when we head off up north shortly.
Yeah.
So we've been doing a fair bit of servicing and maintenance on these vehicles. I've been doing some grinding and that went really well. Another shirt done, but anyway, that seems to be what happens these days. We've been doing a few oil changes, gearbox oils, diff oils, all that sort of thing, and I don't know if the cameraman can spin it right round there and show the lovely drops all over the concrete that we're now going to have to clean up. Just adding to the...
That's a patrol thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a bit of a patrol thing. So it's, it might be me, I don't know. It's Sunday, yeah. I can't think that hard.
His eyesight's not very good these days, so seeing where
true.
the actual oil spills down.
No, yeah. It's the plugs. The plugs and the what do you call them? Washers. The washers around the plugs haven't been sealing, so I need to get a new set of those. But anyway, that's another job for another day. So next on your list is the batteries.
Yeah, so we're currently halfway through doing a 12-volt setup. And believe it or not, we're using Kings. I know, right? Who would have thought?
Yeah, well, it's available.
It's available. It's a lot cheaper. It's a bit more budget friendly.
Yeah.
So if...
I'd open this.
Yeah.
Shit, you got a mess too, man.
It's a work in progress.
And typical to all these jobs, Dylan had an idea and he tried it, but it didn't work.
No, it went to shit.
It went to crap. So we went with a nice big ply board instead of bolting directly down to his floor, because the floor's all undulating and uneven, of course, and nothing sat nice and even. So he's put down a board, bolted that to the floor, and that'll allow his fridge and his battery to go in there, won't it? Yep. Make it a lot easier.
Yeah, well, it just made it easier too for bolting down the battery, because the way I've done this battery setup is I've tried to keep it simple and basic with just the 3 uprights there holding the slimline battery in there, and because the floor was uneven, you couldn't bolt down. So
no, it just makes it awkward, and this can be all covered at a later date when we get time, bit of carpet and whatnot, make it look all pretty. But then we can put in accessories to run his lighting and fridge and oven and whatever else you want to add to it, I guess.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot I'm going to add to it. So, but yeah, it just gives us good foundation. Good foundation.
Foundation. Yeah,
foundation.
That's a bit flash for you.
The other thing which I like, which is really going to be good about this setup, is here, because I've mounted the charger just here, my solar output, or input I guess you'd call it, is right there. So that Anderson plug just there, I can plug straight into through this sliding window, and I've got solar.
It's away. It's up and working.
Yep.
And if he does look at a roof topper or anything like that, you can connect up some power.
Don't give that away yet.
Why?
Because
everybody's got a rooftop these days.
Yeah, okay. Future plans are for a rooftop tent.
But yeah, it allows power to go up there. So
yes, exactly. So that way, yeah, a bit more versatile, gives us a bit of power, because got to charge these cameras and whatnot as well.
Yeah, they suck the power dry.
They do, they really do. And need a fridge, of course, for beer.
Beer's
Got to
good.
have beer.
Scotch, I would have thought, but yeah, we'll go with beer.
Scotch doesn't go in the fridge though, Dad.
Why?
Well, the cans do, but
yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
No, cans, true, not the bottle. Yeah. Okay, I can see where it's going with that. Don't look in there; it's a bit of a mess.
It is messy. It's very messy.
And what else have we got? So I did some new seat covers and that. That was just to protect the interior. Show you
just
guys
in there.
there.
And mats.
Yeah, so we've got new mats in there, some rip curl ones, already been put to use, as you can see. And the RM Williams seat covers.
RM Williams, yeah.
Look pretty spiffy. And protect those seats, because we want to keep them nice and clean.
Yeah, well, that's right. All the mud and dirt that we get into just stops any stains and damage.
Yeah, exactly. So that's going to help keep the longevity of those seats and keep
Yeah.
them nice and tidy.
So that's what's on. Oh well, what's going to happen today is the rest of the install of that.
Yep.
I've got to do a gearbox oil for the old girl here. We've even actually come this way. We'll have to go around.
No.
We've got to walk around all the vehicles. They're in the
Follow
road.
me, people.
We don't have a lot of room. Mum's in the yard doing gardening, if anyone cares. Oh, and just so you know, we talked about on our last video the time crunches. That's all of the bits and pieces out of the back of Paddy. Still sitting there. They were going to the Steel Man approximately a week and a half ago. And there they sit, because we just haven't had time. Dylan's collie,
Colorado, yeah.
still sitting over there.
So, long story short, it is up for sale. If any of you want to buy it, you can. It's on Marketplace, and I've had heaps of inquiries, but people showing up, different story. So, it still sits there, unfortunately, but hopefully soon it will go to a new home.
Yeah, if someone actually shows up.
Yeah, bloody Marketplace,
anyway.
I tell you what.
But we've also come this way.
Yeah, we get distracted, don't we?
Hello, it's
pussycat.
Sunday. I can't function very well on Sundays. We've got the RAV4 in for its service too. So young Stephanie, way down there. It's Bathurst today, so that's why the TV's up and running.
Yep.
We've got oils to change out because this is going on the trip to with us up north as well. So gearbox, diff oils, all that sort of thing's got to be changed out on this just to make sure it's all good, because we don't know when it was last done. She's even put an awning on.
Yeah, so
I don't know what you all think about that on a RAV4, but there it is.
The new
RAV4 with an
Tourer.
awning. Yeah,
New Tourer.
Yeah. So she can put a swag under that and keep herself pretty happy. And we even went to a little bit of effort because we've been doing so much servicing and mechanical work. Follow the cat's leading the way. Everything easy to get to.
The new Rigs on Rigs HQ. Oh, look at that servo, look at that. Hang on. Can we all just feast your eyes on that? Look at that. That's for a future project, isn't it?
That'll be for a future project one of these days. Can't rush it.
Yep. So it's not done yet, but we're, what, 90% set up?
Oh, I wouldn't go that far. That's overstating it. But we're getting there.
We're getting there. We are getting there. And this thing is going to be going up Beer O'Clock Hill.
Yeah, we're going to make her drive it. I think that's
Steph?
a fair call.
It's going up Beer O'Clock Hill.
Straight up.
Just straight up.
20.
I don't
I
see.
like the car, thank you.
I reckon it'd be sick. RAV4 going up Beer O'Clock Hill. What do you guys reckon? Let us know in the
Yeah.
comments below.
Yeah, let us know if you reckon she should take it up there. I think that's a fair call.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it'll do it in one go.
Yeah. All right, I think we should get into some work because nothing's going to happen if we don't. The coffee's going down good, but
Yeah. The other thing today I'm going to get done on, well, hopefully today get done on the GQ is install weather shields for the windows, and also exhaust gauge. So I've got a pillar pod thing there that was...
your EGT gauge.
Yes, correct.
Yes,
The
that's going to be installed too.
pillar pod thing was shit, so we're going to make that work.
Yeah, that's quality. If you want one, just hit him up on where he got that. That was
Crap.
well, let's say the price was well above what it was worth.
Yep.
But anyway,
Yeah, I haven't actually really, from the research I've done, seen any better ones yet either. So
No.
if someone wants a good business idea, make a really good GQ pillar pod.
yeah, it's terrible.
It is. Anyway, so we're going to make that work. So we'll get those in, because where I'm heading to in 2 weeks' time, I'm probably definitely going to need it being a TD. If that gives away where I'm going. I'm not going to say where, but yet.
Not yet.
Not yet, no. So that's where we're at. That's update on the GQ build and a bit of what else is going on at the moment.
Yep. And we'll get into some work and go from there.
Yeah. We'll keep you posted.
Let's do it.
All right.